Hey everybody, Joe here. Quick impromptu video. I just noticed a new feature in Adobe Camera RAW that I'm really excited about. I wanted to share this with you because this is a feature that many of us have been trying to emulate on varying degrees inside Adobe Lightroom for many years now, and they finally actually added a dedicated filter effect tool for it. And why I'm excited about this, even though I don't use Adobe Camera RAW that much, is that it most likely will come to Lightroom here very shortly. So let's check this out. Okay, let me zoom the camera a little bit smaller here. All right, here we go, folks. Finally, all these years, a glow filter. Yes. This is really nice. So when you turn it on, get all these nice glow effects. Now, many of us been trying to get like diffusion effects, black mist diffusion and whatnot. I even went and bought filters to properly find a way to emulate this in Lightroom. That's how much I've been working trying to get a proper black mist diffusion filter and that type of thing in Lightroom. So, and now it's just not just diffusion. No. So we got the ranges and stuff, obviously, but diffusion, bloom, and halation. Bloom is really nice. I like the bloom. Get the range on it. Works really nice. Spread, really nice. And the warmth that you want with it. If I actually click on it, look at that. Same goes for diffusion. You know, I don't think the diffusion's got a little bit there to it. You can change the warmth on it. Something like more of a gold mist to a colder. Now, I do hope they do let you add more colors to it than just this warm, because this one doesn't get as warm as I would like for example, like a gold mist diffusion filter. But the fact that they've even got this started is already a step in the right direction. So yes, I'll also halation. See, look at this. Spread that out. Of course, the halation got a little bit warmer. Very nice. Range. I'm just so excited about this. And like I said, here's the glow effect too. How much you can increase the intensity. So excited about this. There's so many, possibilities to a lot of older photos and stuff that I can finally go back. In particular, like this photo I just recently done. Really happy to see this new feature. Can't wait for it to come to Lightroom. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Are you excited about this as well? I know I am. So anyway, that's it for this video. I just wanted to share this. Really excited. Like I said, I can't wait for this to come to Lightroom.